My name is Tanya Phillips, and I'm going to introduce you to DataBank and take you through a virtual tour of one of our Kansas City facilities. DataBank is a leading data center provider with 20 facilities across the U.S. We currently have 3 facilities in Kansas City. Our clients have told us they selected DataBank because of the quality of the facilities, the attention to details, our product expertise, and a solid understanding of how to operate a data center. Our clients like the options we provide, including cloud, colocation, and managed services for the most demanding compliance requirements. One of DataBank's newest facilities, KC3, is located in Lenexa, Kansas. This fiber and power-rich location allows us to service not only the Kansas City metro, but also many underserved markets in the Midwest. KC3 was built to Tier 3 standards and is located on a 7.25-acre campus. This will provide us significant room for future expansion. Our facility currently has 44,200 square feet with an expansion of 62,100 square feet planned, with plans to build an additional facility on the campus. Total megawatt capacity upon full completion of the campus will be 12 megawatts. The building is designed to withstand the wind parameters of an F2 tornado at 115 miles per hour. We listened to our clients when asking what they needed to get their job done. They said having conference rooms to meet and collaborate was a must. They also said having a nice break room along with options for dedicated workspace and offices would be high on the list. So that's what we built. We wanted the entrance to the facility to have a sophisticated, modern look with plenty of natural sunlight. The high-end finish out allows our customers to feel comfortable about making a great first impression when bringing in their customers, senior management, or board members to visit the facility. A conference room sits right inside the entry for customer use or a quiet waiting area. It is equipped with a TV for presenting, whiteboard, and conference phone equipment. We also have our network operations center at the front entry as to immediately assist any customers or escorted guests. We wanted to make sure our customers had access to the text and the knock, while also providing transparency regarding the status of the data center. The customer break room has ample seating and is stocked with drinks and snacks. Techs have access to Wi-Fi and TV for the latest news. This room can also be used when you want to provide the group a catered breakfast or lunch. We also use this space when hosting events. We have a large space adjacent to the break room that can be used by customers or partners for training, business continuity sessions, industry user group meetings, or company strategy sessions. The room can comfortably accommodate 30 people or more, depending on how we set up the space. We have several private offices that can be rented by our co-location customers. They are secured with badge entry and have great natural lighting. This adds ease of use for our clients that want a quiet, dedicated workspace. Here is an example of how well these offices can accommodate our clients. There is plenty of space and you can design it to accommodate your workflow. When entering our facility, visitors must be let in via controlled access by our security guard. Our security staff is continuously monitoring the facility, entry points, and security cameras. All visitors must stop and sign in at the guard station using an automated system. A matching valid ID must be shown to security before receiving the access badge. Visitors must be escorted at all times. Clients that have been set up with badges and biometric access can proceed directly to the man trap when going to their designated data hall. This allows for ease of use for those that need to be in the data center more often to manage their environment. Now let's review the data halls and logistics. Access to the data halls is controlled by a man trap, which prevents tailgating. It is monitored and secured with two-factor authentication. The entrance to each data hall is controlled via card scan and biometric reader. The doors are 8 feet tall, allowing easy delivery of all cabinet types. The hallways are wide, which makes rolling your loaded cabinets or cart from the loading dock to the data hall much easier. Data Hall 1 provides several co-location options. Unmodified, the cabinets will support up to 10 kW of draw utilizing a traditional cold aisle, hot aisle configuration. The cabinets we use in this facility are 52 U-rack units. They are 24 inches wide and 48 inches deep with a mesh front and back door. The 52U cabinets provide 25% more colocation space in the same footprint as compared to 42U cabinets. Server lifts and crash carts are provided in each data hall for customer use. For high-density configurations, we can provide a solid back door and chimney. This controls the flow of hot air and forces it into the plenum so it can't mix with the cold air in the room. Our chimney cabinets support a minimum of 17 kW to over 30 kW actual load depending on the equipment installed. DataBank has tested this design to 34 kW of actual load utilizing load banks and real-world testing. We do have the capability of doing 100 kW per cabinet by utilizing water-cooled backdoor configurations. DataBank can provide half racks, full racks, custom private cages, and private suite designs with any level of security and compliance required. Cages can also be equipped with card and biometric readers to control entry. Additional security features such as cameras, motion detection, armored cabling, and RFI tagging can be added. Security and compliance is always front of mind at DataBank. We maintain many certifications across our portfolio, including FedRAMP, SSAE 18 SOC 2, PCI, HIPAA, ITAR, NIST 800-53, GDPR, and Privacy Shield. This facility is audited annually for SSAE 18, PCI, and HIPAA, and all DataBank sites and services are operated to NIST 800-53 R4 standards. The loading dock is semi-height and provides plenty of room for delivery trucks to turn around into the dock bays. The loading dock provides spacious bays for receiving equipment and is managed by DataBank personnel. Clients do not have to be present for us to receive your delivery. Once your equipment has been unloaded, you have the option of short-term or long-term storage. There is no charge for short-term storage, but there is for long-term storage. If DataBank received your delivery, it will be placed in a secure cage and you will be notified that it is on site. Clients can also utilize our remote hand service for installation of the hardware if your team is not available. This is the entrance to our burn-in room or build-in room. This is a great place to posture equipment and perform configuration of servers before delivery to the data hall. This area provides space to unbox and discard all cardboard which is not allowed on the data center floor. Power outlets and power strips are provided for customer use. The next few slides will show you how we handle carrier connectivity, power delivery, and cooling. With two large meet-me rooms, we can provide the carrier diversity required by many of our clients. Diverse paths can be provided from building entry through the MMRs all the way to the customer's network cabinets. Carrier access is escort only. This provides additional security controls for facility access. DataBank is carrier friendly and we've made it easy for carriers to build into the facility. We are carrier neutral so the customer can use their preferred carriers or take advantage of our managed internet service, which offers a fully redundant multi-carrier blend as well as additional security offerings. These include DDoS mitigation and intrusion detection and prevention systems. Additionally, DataBank operates our own fully redundant fiber ring within Kansas City, connecting all of our sites as well as the carrier hotel for the market. This allows customers to access any carrier in the market. Finally, we also operate our own MPLS network between Kansas City and our other markets. This provides a fully redundant 100 gigabyte path to geographically diverse markets for DR use. The generators are housed in an equipment yard on the south side of Building 1. Upon expansion, the equipment yard will be centered between the two buildings. Each generator is 1.5 megawatts and an N+1 configuration. The facility utilizes 2N UPS design, providing both an A-side primary power feed and a B-side redundant power feed to each customer cabinet. Neither side is loaded beyond 40%, allowing for complete load to be handled by either side independently. Our power systems are designed to provide both fault tolerance and concurrent maintainability. Everything that you've seen is monitored and watched 24/7/365 by our on-site staff. All engineers and remote hand techs are DataBank employees. We utilize a DX-based cooling system because it eliminates water in the data halls and it's very energy efficient in the Kansas City climate. The system is modular, which limits the effect on the cold air delivery in case of a condenser failure. The data halls are configured with crack units along the outer edges of the room. The crack units are powered by a primary and secondary power feed, which are both backed up by generators. DataBank is a strong believer in instilling customer confidence by providing 24/7 by 365 on-site assistance and continuous monitoring. Our NOC staff is there to support your needs at all times. Clients utilize our staff for rack and stack, receiving of deliveries, and troubleshooting when their personnel is not available, or perhaps they need a faster response time. We've been taking care of our clients since 2005 and have one of the highest NPS scores in the industry. We care about our clients and would love to be your data center partner. Please give us a call to discuss your needs or look at the information provided on our website at DataBank.com.